All right, so today, 12-3, short and sweet, makes up for how hard you had to work yesterday. So linear functions, we've done linear functions, we've graphed them. We graph them in this form, y equals mx plus b. We knew that was our starting point on the y-axis. This was our slope. If it was positive, we rise, then we run to the right. If it's negative, we sink and then run to the right. So just with functional notation, instead of y, we call it f of x or g of x or h of x, whatever letters they decide. So you think of it in the same way, y equals mx plus b. You're going to only do a few problems to practice this, but you can handle it. Let's look at the example. And it says that the amount of I'm on page 547. The amount of antifreeze needed to protect a radiator against freezing to a temperature of negative 18 degrees is about 1/2 the capacity of the radiator. So how much antifreeze is needed to protect a radiator with a capacity of 15 liters? Okay, so it said in that problem, the amount that you needed is 1/2 the capacity. Okay, so go back and read that and see if that makes sense to you. Because it said the amount of antifreeze needed to protect is about 1/2 the capacity. Okay, so the 18 degrees Celsius appears to be extraneous information. We don't even need that. All right, so we want to know then, if we write this functional notation, it's like saying y equals 1/2 of x, or a equals 1/2 of c. All right? If we're doing it in a functional notation, they're going to say, well, f of x is 1/2 of x. Okay? So the question is, how much do I need for a capacity of 15 liters? So, need my eraser. So f of 15 is 1/2 of 15. Okay? So 1/2 of 15 is what? 7.5. So f of 15 equals 7.5 or 7.5 liters. So not too bad. I want you to try this, A. All right, take a pause. You do A, and then see what I have up on the board. Now, I'm not too worried about you writing it with functional notation. I just want you to be able to solve these, all right? So the charge that Frank, is that his name, I think? Yeah. His babysitting service, his charges are a flat fee of $3.50 plus $3.65 per hour. Very cheap, very cheap. All right. So we want to know then, what's a 9-hour babysitting job going to be? So $3.50 plus $3.65 times 9. So we get this product, and then we add them and get the answer. All right? So all you have to do for today are just a few. So refer to RenWeb and check your work, and we'll be back in touch tomorrow. Have a great day.